see it.
Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Okay, go. We going?
We going.
Okay, so you got to get your pilot hole in. You get that dimple in there, because if you don't aim straight, you're going to have a problem, as we saw before. So, got that in there. Pause. Take your time with it. There. Now, we solid. So, that's how you stabilize your lower, because in actuality, the only thing that's holding the lower on is the outer cut piece up here. And so over here, it's solid. That's it. That's your how-to for today. Money stereo installation. So yeah, adding horn tweeters to the bag. Made him more better in the front. Adding bag locks to him. Reworking the way he's sitting on the side over there. Lock that in. Come with a fresh plug. Money's car stereo style. Or Money stereo installation style. Yeah. I don't know about this light. That irked me. But I'm gonna see what I can do to soften that up a little bit. I got a few ideas. Cause when you start a bike up, you definitely hear it just dancing. But yeah. We're gonna run this tonight. Get it tomorrow. Ooh, he got some progressives on there. Oh, I gotta ask how those ride. But yeah. We gonna get it together. Oh yeah. I might have to go sleep after I finish eating this. Yeah. Got them shrimp. They're not big enough to be prawns, but they're pretty big. That's all right. Well, we're pretty much done with the Road King. Found the problem. Look at that. A missing screw on the kickstand. That's a recipe for disaster, because if that pops out, then the whole kickstand is going to bail. So, luckily, well, see how hard it is. I have every screw to a Harley Davidson tagged and bagged from a previous project when I was changing things to chrome Allens. Front floorboard. I don't know what that one is, where that went. That was probably a rear floorboard. Rear. Let me see what we got here. Two rear at right here. Oil cooler lines. Those are front calibers. Those front and rear calibers. Caliber rear to hold it on. Rear swing arm bushing. Let me see here. Rear floorboard. See, upper stabilizer. Rear crash bar. Rear caliber. What's this right here? Oh, bag support for the rear. Triple trees. Let me see what we got here. Front mount plus the washer. That's up by the top of the heads. These are all the rear shock mounts. Whoa. Let me get that. Rear shock mounts. See, front crash bar. The gas tank. Let me see what we got here. I don't know what this one is. Oh, the horn bracket. Okay. Let me see. Oh, front metric. Yeah, foot pegs. Damn, it's a lot of screws. Oil cooler. See what we got here. Oh, front caliper on the front forks. One rear ones that holds the brake line on. Transmission screws. Front floorboard. Let me me see here. The front of the floorboards underneath. Fender. Belt. Guard. Very nice space here. What do we got? Oh. Upper rocker arms for the motor. The back rails to hold the bags on. Outer primary screws. Let's see what we got here. Oh, wait, the one for right fender. Rear fender. Rear rail. I thought I had that labeled. Heat shields. Kickstand, booyah, right there. So, as kickstand, one with a washer. That's what that meant. You mean one with a washer, that means, what is this here? Upper floor mount. What we got here? Transmission. Oh, the ones that go around the transmission. Okay, there. And these are a whole host of other ones that also were replaced. So we got pretty much a whole Harley Davidson screws tagged and bagged. Now for those people who go in and go in, this is representation of multiple trips to the hardware store. Taking one screw with you, tag it and bag it, write down where it goes, and if you need a washer that goes with it. So, seeing as how these were still identified, I was able to find the one screw that goes to the washer. I just need to dig up a washer to go on there, which that'll probably be it right there to hold that on there. So yeah, just a little glimpse into my world.